How to create a group chat on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go to the chat interface from the bottom of your screen and then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen. In the menu that appears, you will see the option for new group chat. Tap on that and then go ahead and select the friends that you want to add in the group chat and further tap on the chat with group option you see there. Also make sure to rename your group if necessary, and with this your group chat will be created. So, this is how you can create group chat on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.